This video is for you, my beginner friend. I want to observe sentences with you, and we're going to see where is the subject and where is the verb, and try to see how it works, because depending on your language, grammar can be very different in French and in your own language. So we're going to do some observation today. All right? Easy sentences. Coming up. Hello, my friend. My name is Claire, and I am here to teach you French with a smile. I want you to have joy when you learn French, all right? I want you to be happy. Maybe you need French for professional reasons, but still. So, have a look at the first sentence. Nous marchons très lentement sur le chemin. So, don't freak out. This means we walk very slowly on the path. Here, the subject is nous. Nous means we. The verb is conjugated with nous. It is marchons. The verb marcher, to walk, is conjugated marchons. Now, you can put something in your head. With nous, you have ONS at the end, at least in the present, In the other tenses, it's slightly different, but keep that in mind. Keep that with nous, you have on at the end, okay? Nous marchons. Très lentement is very slowly. Sur le chemin, on the path. Encore une fois. Another time, nous marchons très lentement sur le chemin. Notice the accent on très. The accent is totally part of the French language. If you omit it, if you put it the wrong way, the word is going to be pronounced differently. So it is important. Now I have a challenge for you. Repeat the sentence with me, together, ensemble. Nous marchons très lentement sur le chemin. Very good. So we started with an easy sentence, the subject and the verb. Now we are going to start with an indication of time, and then the subject, and then the verb. Ce matin, je lis le journal. This morning, I read the newspaper. Ce matin, and a comma, une virgule. You could put that at the end of the sentence. You could say, je lis le journal ce matin. Okay? You could put that at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. The subject is je. Je doesn't take a capital letter, contrary to I in English. And the verb lire, to read, is conjugated with je. Je lis. Okay? Ce matin, je lis le journal. Let's repeat together. Ce matin, je lis le journal. Very good. I want to show you now a reflexive verb. Reflexive is pronominal verb, is when you have ce in front of the verb. And it's very interesting to my students when we work on pronominal verbs, because the meaning is different when you have ce in front of a verb. Sometimes it's related to the meaning of the verb without ce, but sometimes it's very different. So let's have a look at one of them, which is to argue, se disputer. Pendant la fête, Sophie et Julie se sont disputées. During the party, Sophie and Julie had a fight. Pendant la fête, during the party, so again you could put that at the end of the sentence. What I want to show you now is that se sont disputées, it is passé composé, and the auxiliary that is used is être, sont. With the passé composé, you can also use avoir. Okay, so This is a passé composé. All the other sentences are in the present. I just wanted to show you a little bit how it looks, but then, we can dive deeper into the passé composé. Okay, just remember that this is a composed tense, meaning the verb is not in one word, but two, sont and disputées. And here we have 3 words for the verb because we have se. Okay, this is a reflexive verb. Se sont disputés. These 3 words, my friend, are the verb. You see? And disputé is in the feminine with an additional E and in the plural with an additional S because Sophie and Julie are 2 women. Let's repeat together. Pendant la fête, Sophie et Julie se sont disputées. Very good. A good verb to learn is partir. Partir means to leave. If you use aller to go, it's not going to sound very natural. So partir means to leave. Ils partent en voyage demain. They leave on a trip tomorrow. So the subject is ils, they. The verb is partent, leave. Pay attention, my friend. It is not partant. Partant would be written with ANT at the end. It does exist, it means by leaving. Here, they leave, ils partent. Do you hear? Ils partent, not ils partons. Ils partent. Okay. On a trip, we use only 2 words in French, en voyage. And demain means tomorrow. Encore une fois, ils partent en voyage demain. Ensemble, together. Ils partent en voyage demain. I'm so happy you're still here and paying attention. We are going to do one last sentence, my friend. I really hope it's useful to you. En cas de neige, tu peux faire un bonhomme de neige. If it snows, you can make a snowman. Here you can observe that we never translate word by word. In English we say if it snows, but in French it is in case of snow, en cas de neige. A subject of this sentence is tu, it means you. Peux is can, it is the verb pouvoir. Make, faire. So this is an infinitive here, okay? Have a look. Peux is the verb pouvoir and it is conjugated. Faire means to do. It is an infinitive. It is not conjugated. Tu peux faire. And un bonhomme de neige means a snowman. Encore une fois. En cas de neige, tu peux faire un bonhomme de neige. Ensemble, repeat with me, my friend. En cas de neige, tu peux faire un bonhomme de neige. Fantastic! Congratulations! Very, very good. Okay, if you want the slides that I made for you with care and attention, go to the website frenchwithasmile.net. If you want one-to-one lessons with me or with another great French tutor, we are so many. Go to Preply, the link is below for you. And I see you very soon on French with a smile. And keep in mind, if you want to improve your French, you just need consistency. This is a key. Every day, a little bit. See you soon.